All right, if you're a founder, a marketer, or really anyone trying to grow a business, you know the content creation grind. Well, today we're looking at a tool called Techne.blog, and its whole mission is to turn your blog into a powerful, lead-generating engine pretty much on autopilot. So let's see how it actually pulls this off.
Does this feel familiar? Yeah, that constant, nagging pressure to write, edit, publish, promote, and then do it all over again tomorrow. It's the content treadmill, and let's be real, it can burn you out and turn something you should love into a total chore.
But imagine this for a second. What if you could just flip that script? What if your blog could practically run itself, pumping out high-quality content that actually brings in customers, all while you get to focus on, running your business? That's the dream, right? Okay, so let's dive into it. Section 1 is all about this idea of an automated inbound engine. This isn't for just anyone. It's built from the ground up for solopreneurs, busy marketers, and small content teams who are stretched way too thin.
So, the first big promise here is tackling the #1 problem with most AI content: trust. We've all seen it, generic, soulless text. The goal here is different. It's not just about being fast. It's about creating content you can actually stand behind in seconds. And this is the secret sauce. See that Enhance with Research button? That is a game changer. It's what separates this from a generic AI writer. Instead of just making stuff up, it actively searches the web in real time to find data, stats, and quotes to back up what it's writing, and it even provides citations. This means you get credible, authoritative content from the very first draft.
So, great, you've just created this amazing, well-researched article in a few minutes. But that's only half the battle, isn't it? Now you have to get it out to the world. And Techne's philosophy on this is simple but so powerful. Write once, publish everywhere. And here's what that actually looks like. On the left, you're in the content studio, putting the finishing touches on your piece. And on the right, all your channels. Webflow, WordPress, LinkedIn, X, Facebook, you name it. With one click, your post goes live everywhere. No more copying, pasting, reformatting. It's just one smooth pipeline.
All right, let's move on to Section 2 and really look under the hood at how this all-in-one content pipeline comes together. We're going to break down the exact process, from a blank page to a published post.
It really boils down to 4 super simple steps. First, you use the AI to generate ideas and initial drafts. Step 2, you enhance it with that real research and optimize it for SEO. Third, you drag and drop it onto your content calendar. And finally, you just let the system handle the rest, automatically publishing it everywhere for you. So simple. And this right here is the heart of the operation, the command center. It's your single dashboard for the entire content machine, giving you that bird's eye view of everything, from what's being drafted to what's scheduled to go live next week.
Now I want you to just look at this number. Seriously, 47 hours. What does that even mean?
Well, that is the estimated time a user saved in a single month. And this isn't some made-up marketing number. It's a real metric tracked right on your dashboard. I mean, think about that. 47 hours. That's more than an entire work week that you just got back. A week you can now spend on strategy, on sales, or heck, even on vacation.
And of course, as you start producing more and more content, the content library keeps everything neat and tidy. You can instantly see what's unpublished, what's scheduled, and what's already live. You can see right here, this account has 64 posts live on Webflow and 48 on LinkedIn. This thing is built to handle some serious volume.
Okay, moving on to Section 3. And this is the good part. To celebrate the launch, we've got something really special. And it's an exclusive offer just for you, the Product Hunt community.
We really wanted to do something to say thank you. Think of this as a reward for the very first people who jump in and believe in this tool. Our first 100 users, our true early adopters. So here it is, a massive 50% off your first 3 months. This is, without a doubt, the best deal that will ever be available for this, and it's designed to give you plenty of time to get in there and see those time-saving results for yourself. The code couldn't be simpler. It's just Techne Live. That's TECHNE-GOLIV. Use that code at checkout to lock in your early adopter discount. So that's the tool, and that's the offer. Now for the final part. What's your next step?
At the end of the day, it really comes down to this. Content marketing is non-negotiable for growth, but your time is your most valuable asset. This tool is built to automate the tedious parts, so you can reclaim those precious hours. So the only real question left to ask is, are you ready to get your time back?